In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the radio buttons and the picture boxes. First, I'm going to create another Windows form because this form is already too busy. So I'm going to create a second form. To do that, I'm going to right-click on the project name, homework 1, and add Windows form. Okay, the default name is form 2. You can give it any name that you want. So I will just keep it as form 2 and click on add. So this is the empty form 2. Okay, so what I'm going to put on this form is a picture box. First, I'm going to show you how to put pictures into the picture box and how to change the pictures in the picture box. Okay, so I drag and drop a picture box onto this form. So this is an empty picture holder. Okay, to put a picture into the picture box, you can look at the properties. Okay, so the background image is none. Okay, so image is there's none. Okay, look at here. And to put an image into the box, I can click on this little triangle and choose image. Okay, so this select resource window pops up. And I'm going to use the image. I don't want to use local resource. The local resource will be the files on your local computer. The downside of using local resource is that when you move your project from your computer to another person's computer, the local resource will not go with your project file. So when your file tries to look for the image on your computer from another person's computer, that's not possible. Okay, so your program will be collapsed. And so the best practice is always to put the images into the project resource. Okay, so I'm going to import the images that I will use into the project folder. So whenever I move my project, everything, all the resources that is necessary for my program to run will go with the project. Okay, so for now, I'm going to import just a simple picture like this one, Pokemon Chespin. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay, you see, once the picture is imported into the project resource, I have a new entry. I want to enter another one. I want to enter a Pikachu. Okay, another one. So now I have two pictures in my project resource. I can demonstrate how to switch between these two. Okay, so then I just click OK. Okay, now we have a problem. Once I choose the image in the picture box, I'm only able to show a portion of the picture. Okay, so the trick is to select appropriate size mode. Now it's just normal size load. Okay, if I choose stretch image, everything will be displayed inside the picture box. Okay, whether the ratio is keep it to its original, it depends on you can adjust it. Okay, now to demonstrate how to switch between the pictures, okay, I'm going to put a button here. For the button text, I just use a change. Okay, so what I want to do is to change the picture from Pikachu to Chespin when I click on this change button. Okay, so I double click this button to create a method, and then once the button is clicked, I'm going to change. Let's choose this. This refers to the form. Okay, so all the controls that you put on the form will be available. So now if I choose picture box 1, okay, image equals, so this image will determine what image is displayed in the picture box. Okay, So to get the local resource, I'm going to use this property. The properties. Properties will be the property of this project. Okay, so resource. The resource is a collection of all the resources that are available to this project. I just you can see the two pictures I just imported into the project resource are available. So one is Chespin, one is Pikachu. So I'm going to choose Chespin, right? Chespin. That will okay. So just as simple as this. Once the button is clicked, the image is changed to Chespin. Okay. So now let's check this. Oh, this is not right. So form 1 is still displayed. So what I need to do is to change the start form from form 1 to form 2. Okay. To do that, I'm going to open this program.cs file. If I scroll down, you can see application.run, new form 1. Okay, so that's why form 1 is still displayed. If I want to use form 2 as the first form to display, I'm going to change this to form 2. Okay. This will bring up form 2 when the program runs. Now let's run it again. Okay, now form 2 is displayed just as we expected. So I click change. So Chespin is coming up. Okay. So now you need to think about how to relate this to your homework. Okay. I demonstrate everything for a purpose. Okay. I will not tell you exactly how to do your homework, but you need to figure it out by learning from my video tutorials. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you some more tips about the how to use the radio buttons. Okay. So now I use the change button to change the pictures. How about if I use the radio buttons? Okay, I can put 2 radio buttons. Radio button, okay, it's right here. Radio button, okay. Radio button 1, copy and paste. Radio button 2, okay. So I will change the radio button 1 text to Pika, right? Anyway, and radio button 2 to Chespin. Okay. So what I want to do is when Pikachu is selected, Pikachu will be displayed. And then when Chespin is selected, Chespin will be displayed in the picture box. And so now one thing that you have to remember is that a group of radio buttons have to be grouped together so that only one radio button is allowed to be selected. If you put 2 in just onto the form, let's see. I think you are able to select both. No, well, now since they are okay, now it is fine. If you have 2 groups of radio buttons, you have to use like a group box to group them together. So it is now since they are just one, they are all on the one form. Only one radio button is selectable. Okay, so now we don't need to worry about it. So how do I make that decision? So it is quite simple. So I just create 2 methods, one for each radio button. Okay, so radio button 1 checked. Okay, if this radio button is checked, I'm going to just change the picture box to the first radio button is Pikachu, right? Pikachu. Okay. Picture box 1. The image property resource Pikachu. Okay, that's it. Then I want to create another method for this one. So what I can do is just to copy and paste this and just change the specific image to chestpin. Okay. Now let's see how this works. Pikachu does not change. Chestpin, Pikachu, chestpin, Pikachu. Okay. So this is how you use picturebox to change an image displayed in a picture box. Okay, I hope you get it, and this will be very helpful for your homework. Okay, good luck.